Hi guys, 2010 C250 gasoline V6 oil reset. So key in ignition, okay, turn it to the first position, 1, and then we're going to scroll right to trip and make sure you are in this window. We're going to push call button and OK button from here, right? So let's see, simultaneously you hold it, all right, and you get into this menu, and now we go from here, we go to assist plus, okay, full service, okay, confirm, okay, oil grade, whatever, carried out, yes, confirm, and that's it. Hold on.